Hello everybody, and in today's video I'll be teaching you how to buy crypto on MetaMask wallet with bank card or Apple Pay. So let's get started. So the first step you'll have to do is to go into MetaMask and log into your account. Once logged in, the first thing you'll have to do is to make sure to use the network you will be using. So just click on the wallet icon on the top. Then select the chain you would like to use. In this case we'll use Smart Chain. Now here you'll see many icons. Just click on the buy button to buy. Now click on get started. Now select your region and now click on continue. Now here you can use your payment method. It can either be a bank transfer, Apple Pay or debit card. So for this case we'll choose debit or credit card and now click on continue to amount. Here at the top you select the amount you would like to buy crypto on. Now select the token you would like to buy over here and now enter the amount you would like to purchase. And now click on get quotes. Now here you will see two options. Just click on buy with MoonPay and now over here you have to enter your email and hit continue, and now you'll get a verification code. Make sure to copy and paste it over here. Now just enter your card info and once you click on continue you will be bought the crypto, and there you go. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you all in the next one. Goodbye.